Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by putting both devices on the same network, because mirroring works over Wi-Fi. Turn the Sony Bravia on and open its screen mirroring or Bravia Sync input so it's discoverable. On your Samsung phone, enable Smart View or the phone's screen mirroring option and allow location and network permissions if the phone asks. Once done, you'll see the TV listed. Do not select it yet. Keep both devices visible while you move to pairing. Now you'll actively pair the two devices. Open Smart View on the Samsung, then tap the Sony Bravia name as it appears. The TV should show a connection request. On the TV, press Accept, and if a PIN appears, type it on the phone to verify identity. Make sure to choose mirror screen mode and switch the phone's audio output to the TV so sound follows video. If performance is choppy, lower phone screen resolution or move closer to the router to improve throughput. To finish, stop mirroring from Smart View or press the TV's exit/back button. This cleanly ends the session and frees network resources. If you hit lag or freezing, reboot the router and restart both devices, then try mirroring a simple app to isolate the problem. Also, make sure TV firmware and your Samsung OS are up to date, because updates often fix compatibility bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.